Hey there, sunshine. Who's right here today? I have my March IPSY boxes to unbox with you guys. I am so excited. I have missed beauty. I have missed makeup. Life has been so crazy. I'm so happy to have this box here. It says that it was shipped on the 6th and it just got here. I thought it was the end of the month, but that's okay because at least we got it in March. Unlike my Quirky Crate boxes that I got from the February box, I just got, and it's the end of March. So at least we got this box. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna get out my big knife. We're gonna slice it open. I've lost all of my scissors. I've literally lost all of the scissors that I own. So now I'm resorting to using this massive kitchen knife to open this box up. So let's see what we have in here. So I'm really excited about this because not only do we have the March IPSY Plus box, but we also have the regular little beautiful IPSY Glam bag. So we're gonna get into this. We're gonna have a fun time. As always, let's get comfortable. I'm gonna readjust so I can put my box up better. Okay, now that we're all nice and comfortable, so I'm really excited, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm putting my glam bag aside because I'm a child. I like opening the big packages first. I cannot wait to see what's inside of here. So let's get into this. This month's theme is Stronger Together. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. Okay, one thing I do want to say is I love that the IPSY Plus sends out the bag, but I have two comments. I feel like it's kind of a waste if they're not going to send it like they send their IPSY bag. Like, I think I understand why they're sending it, but all of the makeup inside of here cannot fit inside of this bag. So I'm kind of like, what's the point in sending the bag out? Especially because it's not like, it's probably not something that I'm using. Maybe it's just me though. Maybe it's just me. So I'm gonna shut up now. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? IPSY, girl, you snapped. You went off. It's the first item that I got in here and I am losing my mind. Okay, so this is an IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused hairbrush. Oh, no, brush hair, not hairbrush, brush hair. Developed with plastic surgeon clinical results. I have always wanted to own a brush from IT Cosmetics, so IPSY just literally crossed. Oh wow, hold up. Okay, first off, IPSY just crossed off goals of mine, a life goal of mine. Secondly, you would not believe how soft this brush is. If I were to hand this to you right now, you'd be like, am I holding a cloud? Because that's what I feel like I have on my skin is a cloud or baby hands. This is so soft. Okay, so here's the brush. It doesn't have all of the it doesn't have the light. That's just my ring light. So it's just silver. And then it says skin smoothing complexion number 704. I love this so much. I don't think it'll smooth my skin with powder, but maybe it's got some magical. It says pairs perfectly with your skincare, color infused powders, solid serum foundations, and all complexion products. Revolutionary IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush Hairs infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, and antioxidants. That is amazing. Cruelty-free and pro-hygienic for even the most sensitive skin types. That's the end of this video because this brush was just worth the entire value of this box. I am so shook right now. Okay, next, because there's still so many items in here, we have the Co-Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. I love vitamin C products. Your girl has terrible acne right now. I am breaking out like nobody's business. And I've got really bad scarring. It is getting bad, but vitamin C here to save the day. Let's see what it smells. Oh wait, it's got a little foam pump too. I don't want to do it. I don't want to waste anything because I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I'm really sorry about the weird timing. My phone got really mad at me for filming in 4K, so it overheated and died. So I'm gonna just switch it back down to not 4K, and we're gonna keep pushing with this. But here's everything that we have left in the box. I'm really excited to see what's in here. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Refreshments Pearly Body Wash Citrus Spritz. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I love citrus. Like okay, I was expecting there to be a cap on there. There's not. It smells like citrus, like it smells like lemongrass a little bit, honestly. It doesn't say, the star ingredients are shea butter, vitamin C, and olive oil, but it doesn't say what the scent is. But body wash, that's something new. I really, really love that concept. And I'm seeing that we have matching products in here, so I'm actually gonna pull everything out. Then we have this refreshment breezy deodorant eucalyptus julep, and then I have this refreshment breezy deodorant unscented. So see, I would like to take this moment to share a PSA. So when I was growing up, I always thought you had to like pull these out, but then in my adult life I realized you could just, and then it just comes right out. You're welcome. So oh, I'm smelling it unscented. So yeah, that passes the test. There is no scent to that. Okay, next one. Let's smell this eucalyptus julep, which I'm gonna get some fresh eucalyptus for my shower, but I really don't know where I can find like fresh, like collections of eucalyptus. Oh, wow. I love that, but I feel like it's a little bit of a masculine scent in all honesty. I love that, but I think this would smell so, so good on my husband. That 100%, I would be smelling him up all day like, oh, you smell so good. And then I'll keep the unscented one for myself. I am very nervous though, because I'm very, very allergic to a lot of deodorants. It says like I can only use like certain Dove products and Suave, but it says always vegan, free of parabens and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. That's awesome. I never even thought about skincare products like deodorant and like toothpaste having like nut parts in them. That's crazy. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free, clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. All right, let's keep going on. I love them. They're my favorite. Oh my gosh, they're my favorite hair care brand. I love their leave-in conditioner, and I love their wave spray and their volume spray. Way, I think is how you pronounce their name. I've got this leave-in conditioner, my favorite brand. I would be so happy if I got full-size products of them in my box. I love, 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 love their conditioners. I love their hair products. Okay, next I've got this Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna try this out right now. That's a pretty color. I'm just wearing lip gloss. Oh. She said, I'm here to shine. I've got shiny lips. No flavor, but it's also not making the back of my throat burn, which is a really good thing because I have that problem with a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses. All right, let's see what else we have in here. I'm very excited. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the IPSY Glam bag in a separate unboxing, just in case you don't wanna see that, or you do. Whatever the case is, I'm doing it in a separate unboxing. But I've got this Haus Laboratories. Isn't this Lady Gaga's brand that she did with Amazon? And this is Burlesque. Let's see what this is. Is it a lipstick? It's a lipstick. Ooh, that's cool packaging. Oh, wow, what? What? Yo, do you guys see the stripes? The stripes are glittered. My mind is blown right now. Wow. I wish my camera would focus on it. Let me tap the screen. Do you see that though? Do you see that? That is so beautiful. That is so, oh, come on now, you gotta tap back on my face. Hello, we're back again. That is so beautiful. I don't even wanna use that right now. I just wanna put that aside for a special occasion. All right, and then last but not least, I've got this palette, and it says Shades by Sean, MBY Makeup Studio, the neutral edition. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, they weren't kidding. It really is neutral. I was like, this is probably a pop of color. Love that though. Hexed. That is probably my favorite color in here. Wow. So the hexed is right here. That is beautiful. A little surprising for spring. This would definitely for me like be like a fall palette. Because there's not like a lot of light pinks or light colors in here that are more subtle for like spring. But that's just my personal opinion. That's what I like to wear. Honestly, I love that we have 6 matte shades and 3 shimmers. What a beautiful palette, especially if you're like still getting started on your makeup journey or you really don't like wearing bold colors. So that is everything that I got in my March IPSY Plus box. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite item? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.